In the bustling world of Bear Country Railway, Brother has his own branch line to keep in top shape. Brother was no exception. But one day, renovations on his branch line caused him to arrive late at the station. Feeling the pressure of being tardy, Brother decided to take matters into his own wheels and find a shortcut to the station. "I'll find a faster route, just you wait." And so, Brother embarked on his shortcut adventure, eager to shave off precious minutes from his journey. At first, the shortcut proved successful, and Brother arrived at the station with time to spare. However, as the summer heat intensified, the tracks on Brother's shortcut began to warp and bend, creating dangerous conditions. "Oh no! The tracks are bending! I need to slow down!" But it was too late. Brother crashed, his wheels slipping on the deformed rails. After a trip to the works for repairs, Brother faced a stern reprimand from Mr. Honeycomb. "Brother, you must pay attention to the condition of the line. Taking shortcuts without proper consideration can lead to disaster." Brother felt chastised, but he explained his intentions to Mr. Honeycomb, who listened with a mixture of understanding and concern. "I understand your eagerness to be punctual, Brother, but safety must always come first. Besides, the renovations on your branch line are almost complete." True to Mr. Honeycomb's words, the renovations on Brother's branch line were finished just a few days later, providing him with a safe and reliable route once again. Brother learned his lesson well. Though he still occasionally used the shortcut, he did so with much greater caution, especially during the scorching summer months. And so, Brother continued his journeys, wiser and more mindful of the tracks beneath his wheels, with the support of his fellow engines like Horace, Ben, and Firefly the bus.